Hi guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing really well. So today's video, I thought I might share with you guys some of my favorite products that I've been using. These are products that I've really been loving, and I thought I would share them with you guys, and hopefully if you guys want to try them out. And yeah, so the first one that I'm going to share, which has been so good, are the Ordinary products. And I've already done a video on one of these. So I've got the hyaluronic acid, and then at the moment I'm also trying this here, and I think this is more like a version of the vitamin B or vitamin E oil. I haven't really, but I'm only into second week of trying this, so but so far it's been really good. Like, I really like how it goes on. It feels so amazing. And yeah, I really like these products. They're so good. Yeah, like, love this. It's like, honestly, I'm like really liking this. The next thing that I have in regards to hair is the hair fertilizer. This product, guys, that has really helped with my hair growing back, and my hair is like so thick just because of these. It's been so good. Like, definitely recommend these if you're trying to grow back your edges, or if you just want to grow your hair in general. Definitely this is amazing. Definitely amazing. I love it. Next hair products that I have is, oh my gosh guys, this is a one that my sister was using, so then I took it and I started using it, and it's been so good. This product right here, guys, it's like a hair conditioner for like dry hair. If you have like really dry 4C hair, or just normal dry hair in general, this product is so good. Like, it sits on really well, and it keeps your hair really moisturized, and also curls it if you're looking for those extra curls. Oh, this is, yeah, it's like a Garnier product, and it's like a nourishing banana hair food hair gel, kind of like a, yeah, like intense conditioner. So yeah, definitely really good. The next thing that I have is this face roller, guys. This face roller is so amazing. Like, there is, on Sundays I try and do self-care, and at night time, once I put in my oils, I just rub these, like, and I just start doing my face, and oh, it's just like leaves your skin so nice and smooth. And it's like, when you're rolling this on your face, I always feel like I'm like really applying the product on there, and it's really helping it. I don't know, it's probably just all in my head, but it's just a good product to have. It's got two sides. You can either use the big one, or you can use like the small one. So it's really good. It's like a face roller. Just roll it on once you finish using it. The next thing that I have is this plan. I got a planner, and this planner is so good, guys. I keep it in a case because I really don't want it to get, like, you know, when you don't want something, you don't want to ruin something. So this is it here. It's by Stephanie Pace, and this planner, guys, is so amazing. It's got the most amazing thing, like week to week daily stuff that you can do, some challenges that you can set for yourself, whether this month you want to drink more water, you want to clean your bathroom, you want to, like, it literally has everything on here that she's put. And it also comes with stickers, so like, so every month it has like monthly goals that you can set for yourself. You can either do personal goals, finance goal, health goals, and also social. Like, what are some of them? Like mine, I've put like personal is just wake up a bit earlier. That is one of the goals that I'm trying to do this month, is just try and wake up a little bit more earlier. Finance is to obviously save a little bit more, try and save more this month. And then health is work out at least 4 to 5 times a week. And then social is spend a lot more time with like my family, and just being a lot more present with like also Mateo and spending more time with him. And then on there it's got like to-do list, like what do you like on the days. It's got like what do you want to do. Like it's just a good little planner. If you guys want to check out her website, you're welcome to. I'll link it in the description box for you guys. And then she also has like stuff magnets like these that you can put on your fridge for like the month, or she's also got like weekly cleaning schedules or like that kind of stuff, and like organizing your house in general. And the next products that I really like at the moment is the Kayla Fitness workout app. I'm like really enjoying her workouts because they've really helped me, and I've seen a lot of results from them, so that's what I'm doing. And also the other thing that I have is this eucalyptus and mint fragrance, guys. My house smells so good because of these. Like, look, it's so good. Like, I feel like my house just smells so amazing. Oh, I am like loving it. And you walk in after like being at work and the house is just so inviting because of how nice it smells. And yeah, it's just like, yeah, like all you need is like fire for like to like give it that nice winter like feel to it. But anyways, anyway guys, that is the video I have for today. I hope you guys did like some of these products. If you guys want to check out any of them, I'll link them in the description box. Yeah, let me know what other products you guys are liking at the moment. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you again for watching. Bye guys.